Welcome to the New Year New Body Challenge, a 20-day beginner challenge guaranteed to give you results. This is a beginner's guide to finally sticking to your New Year's health and fitness goals. My name is Jeremy Belter. There you can see my logo. So before we get into the nuts and bolts, let's talk about my background. I played high school basketball and baseball. I played college basketball and baseball. I have a Bachelor of Science degree from Wisconsin Lutheran College. I've been a certified personal trainer for over 10 years. I have over 6 certifications in the fitness and nutrition industry. I've trained over 15,000 training sessions. I've trained all types of athletes at all different levels. And I've trained fitness enthusiasts, but I've also trained everyday people. I'm a Fitness Revolution licensee. I've been a fitness studio owner for several years. Recently, I was honored to be Thumbtack Personal Trainer of the Year in Milwaukee area as rated by Thumbtack. And I've helped countless people lose weight and get healthier. And that's what I'm here to help you with. I'm here to help you with your New Year's resolutions, your New Year's goals, and really make them stick. I'm married to Melissa, and I have 2 children, Autumn and Levi. So why did I choose 20 days? One of the reasons is it's short enough for anyone to do. With a little bit of willpower and compliance, and if you're willing to try these things, the results should be very good. You will see short-term results, which is really helpful to spur people on. You'll have enough changes that some will stick, even if you don't follow through on all of them. I'm not saying that you shouldn't, but even if you don't, you'll still have great results. You're going to focus on a new habit every other day for a total of 10 habits equaling 20 days. We can focus on some easy but powerful things. I think research backs the fact that if we throw too much at somebody at one time, they end up failing. That's why doing one thing at a time is such a great way to incorporate these habits into your lifestyle. You'll have enough time to see and feel the changes, and I know that